Yo! Kasama ko nga pala yung pamangkin ko si Chogchog. Masaya siya. Kung ikaw ay masaya, pumalakpak. Ayaw pumalakpak. Sama ko si at si Wagay ka. Vlog to, upload ko to Sige. Yung testing. Testing ng times 1. Times 0.5 testing. Lalagyan natin ng case. Titingnan natin kung lumalabo talaga yung vlog natin pag may case. Continuous vlogging. Ayan, mami. Parang malinaw na siya. Try ko ay i-upload. Malinaw na ba? Mas malinaw ba siya kaysa sa kanina?
Comment down below.
Yo. Sabi mo like and subscribe.
Like and subscribe.
Yan. Gagawa kami ng vlog sa Boracay. Pakita namin sa inyo. Going to island hopping. Okay. Boarding to Kateklan. Waiting game na tayo. Boarding to Kateklan. Yan, si Sean. Sean, paalala nga. Toning, LJ, Daddy Jerry,
Come back 10 days later
Ian,
and pick up your Friday.
Ali. At ito yung mabait kong asawa. Hi, Mami. I love you. Bait-bait talaga. Ang saya niya. This is for my intro. We're going to Boracay.
What the frick? What the? What the bro? Look at that! Bro!
We're in the island called Boracay. Parang pinangako namin, nag-vlog tayo, di ba? Ito na yun. Dito na tayo sa hotel, naka-check-in na tayo. Pakita ko lang quick room tour. So, 3 room tayo.
Huwag na tayo mag-sleeper sa loob.
Uy. Dito yung labas. So, yung dagat, 3 minutes away. Can I show your room?
Have a curfew, we have Wi-Fi here. I think we have a few.
Uy, chinelas yan? Wala ka? Ako meron eh. Wow. Akdi! Akdi! Yo!
Hey guys, what up?
Likes, subscribe, follow. I wanna go back to the island called Boracay.
Yes, sir.
Wow. Medyo green nga siya pag ganitong season. The sun. It's nice to be back. On the visa. There's a lot of ways. Uy. Akong chips by
Josh.
Uy. Meron pang advertisement.
influencer, oh.
Say hi, Dad. Dad, say hi to YouTube.
Ay, isa lang pala yan. Hi!
Hey, love.
Ano size mo?
What's up, Sean? Let's go! What's up, vlog? First night. Midnight snack. Midnight snack. Oy, midnight snack na rin yan. Ay, si Gian, oy, midnight snack. Oh, bus ka agad.
The next day.
Day 2. We're going to...
Okay, day 2.
Day 2, we're going to Island Hopping.
Favorite vlogger.
Yep. Shout out to my new subscriber, Jerry Rose. I hope you're doing well.
Oh, it's video.
Oh, shout out to, what's his name? Someone Ballesteros that I know. Shout out, shout out.
Don't chase it.
This is a moving camera, mommy, so you need to move. This might affect the audio of the video since it's inside the plastic.
They'll think it's slow motion.
I'm not sure if this is a good quality video. So it has a plastic now, but I'm going to remove it later. Can you hear me? All right. How's it going? Point to the vlog. Where's Shangri-La? Where's Movenpick? Movenpick. Where's... Okay, okay. Explain mo, explain mo.
Ay, ano sinabi ni Kuya?
Explain mo. Ayan, yan. Sabihin mo sa vlog. Huwag ka mahiya, huwag ka mahiya. Hey, would you like to shout out anyone? Huh?
Shut up!
Smell paparazzi. Ganda asawa ko talaga. Wala silang binatbat. Boca Beach. Boca Beach. Kami, tawagin mo na si Makdi. Makdi! Good daw, oh! Oh, dito lang dapat tayo.
Layo nyo. Ba't ang layo?
Coming. We're going there for a closer look. Shout out to my boy Sean. Sean, this is for you. So, ito yung tsura namin after the first island. Anchi, Ali, Gian, Tita LJ.
want to wear? You want to wear?
Mami, ano, pagod ka na? Second island, pupunta tayo sa ano. Anong pangalan no island, Chog? Yung pangalawa? Hindi ko rin alam mo. Ano ba? Ama, papakita ka. Mami! Mami, anong pangalan no second island, Mami? Napupuntahan?
Wala.
Ha?
Crocodile?
Galing oh, crocodile.
Elephant?
Oo, tamo, Elephant Island. Lunchtime!
Hungry.
Are you hungry? Lunchtime! Hey, at sea, kamusta yung snorkeling? How was the snorkeling? Can you tell us the experience?
Oh yeah.
Actually, it's the best. Okay? I saw so many corals. I saw some fishes. The
Okay.
best.
How about you, sir? How's the experience?
The fish were organic. It happened so naturally. Yeah. There were crowds of them.
The best Boracay.
Would you like to shout out anyone?
I kept looking for dinner, but they were all so small.
How about you, Tita LJ? What can you say?
It was a great experience.
Okay. Right off. Book it.
Must try.
Let's try.
Okay, now we're heading. It's lunchtime. Lunchtime! Mami ko ang sauce na may sili, ha?
May ano, ito?
Whoa. Yeah, ginger. Para siyang ano, mussel soup. Hi, Mami. Welcome to, what is this island? Crystal Cove. Mag-vlog lang ako saglit. Oh, no. Alam ko ba, bip kayo. Welcome to Crystal Cove. What's up? Kami sa Crystal Cove. Bago ako mag-swimming, papakita ko muna sa inyo ang itsura ng swimingan. Oh. Init. Sobrang init. Let's go.
Ano best seller sa show? Mango po nga. Sa next one. Ay, mainit.
Tara, let's go. Swim. Yan po yung pagkain ng magician. Turon! Life at Boracay. See? Sige po. Have a good night. I'm with Ali. Ali, can you shout out your friends?
Shout out to my friends.
Fair. Gian, come here. Ano masasabi mo sa experience mo sa Boracay?
Very exciting, very thrilling, very burning.
Burning. Okay. Thank you, Gian. How about you, my wife? My wife. What can you say about the nightlife in Boracay?
Very nightly.
Welcome to your vlog. Pampatibay ng relasyon.
Thank you, Ate. Welcome to your vlog too.
Seafood pala.
Mura lang po ito sando dito.
Sando is more, ah.
180, dalawa.
Jerry, I just realized we never vlog at night in Boracay, so this is the opportunity for us to vlog. What can you say about the nightlife?
Having such a wonderful time in nightlife. Only you keep picking places where there's no music.
Okay, that's a good advice from Daddy Jerry. So, we're looking for a place to have dinner. It's our second night. Shout out to Jobs Gabales and Angelo. Thank you so much for subscribing to my YouTube. Let's go. Day 3
The
natin
next
sa Boracay. It's our last day. Uwi na tayo bukas. Another day in the beautiful island beach. Let's go. Later, maybe we will have lunch first. Okay, what's this place? Miss Cusi, Miss Cusi. Miss Cusi. Miss Cusi.
Sino may telepono dito?
Wow. This is the station 1. It's a little bit far in here. Wag malumot later. We will swim later, okay? Not in this place. So, malapit na tayo umuwi. Beautiful beach. Alright. Let's go! Another Turon days. Pakdi! Let's go! Later! Sun kiss. Sige. Taas yan! Taas yan, ma! I wanna go back to the island called Boracay. Thank you for watching. Sakay ako sa asawa ko for the last video for today. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3.
Ayoko malumot.
Tatayo ako.
Video, ganda ng video.
Ganda.
Dito, kasi.
Dito before siya sa color black. Color black. Wala pa rin si Kuya.
Kaya nga eh.
40 minutes, di ba?
Baka may extension to be. Ano ka? Si mami ka na?
Kaya na yata. Kaya, di ba?
Teka lang. Parang towel. Towel. Towel na. Ito yung version nila. Ito yung sa mga. Towel yung empty.
Kasi yun, tinikat sa likod eh. Hindi ako na, lumalaway din yung tenga ni Gian eh. Kaya tayo ka, Gian. Hindi ka pumunta ka sa pinakamalalim.
Ayun! Dito namin!
Hawakan natin, ganun.
Hawakan niyo! Sige, sige! Ay, Mapit! Ako muna, tatamaan ka. Thank you.
1, 2, 3.
Yon! Ganda! Ganda, ganda! Yay! Take two, take two! Igana lang, igana lang. Gusto mo yun? Sige nga, tatayo ka yan. Ako pa, tatamaan tayo dito, baby. Tayo. Iyan, nalalayo mo diyan. Daddy. Kasi father mo. Sa gitna! Dapat sa gitna! Gitna ka nga, ba't ka kasi sa side? Yan. Yan!